Hello, and welcome to TrotBooks. So over the next few short videos, I'm going to walk you through getting your whole stable set up, your horses, owners, billing races, all of it. We'll go in the order that you'll actually do it, one piece at a time. So first up, the easy part, creating your stable. This will only take about 2 minutes, I promise. The nice thing is there are no passwords here. Just pop in your email, and we'll send you a magic link. You click it, and you're in. So for now, you just go to your inbox. You can see there's the open Gmail button here. Great. And then the first thing you'll see here is the create your stable screen. A stable is basically your whole operation. Every horse, owner, and dollar lives under it. So let's build it. The only thing that we truly need is the name, but go ahead and fill in the address and phone too. This is the info that prints on the invoices that your owners get, so might as well do it now. And the next thing that you'll do is choose plan. So one thing that might surprise some folks is that every plan has every feature. The only difference is how many active horses you can carry. So starters up to 9, plus up to 19, pro up to 49, and limited is exactly what it sounds like. So the nice part is that only active horses count towards that number also. So the day a horse retires or gets sold or claimed, it stops counting, but stays right there in your records. So every plan is going to kick off with a 30-day free trial, no charge until the trial is up, and you can cancel at any time. Pick whatever fits your string today, and you can move up or down later as you grow. And if you go yearly instead of monthly, you get 2 months free. So pick one, and we're in. So you'll be taken to your dashboard, and just like that, you've got a stable. So that's all there is to it. In the next video, we'll set up your defaults, which is the secret to making everything after this go really fast. See you there.